Here's 7 reasons to start using Linux. Number 1, the freedom factor. Freedom from unwanted telemetry, all that data that's being gathered, all the tracking that's being done. Linux is open source, so there is no hidden code. You also don't have to have a cloud account to start using Linux. Secondly, the fun factor. It's just fun to use Linux. You can play around with it and tinker in a way that you're not able to do with other operating systems. To get all that you can out of Linux, there is a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get past that, you can do a lot of interesting things and have a lot of fun with Linux. Thirdly is the functionality factor. Linux is super powerful. Much of the internet runs on Linux, but it also works well for cybersecurity, coding, writing, or just browsing the internet. Number 4, the financial factor. It's not just the operating system that's free, but most of the software that you need to use is free as well. There are no licenses required. There's no advanced resources needed. You can run Linux on old computers that are no longer able to run Windows. And with Windows 10 now being deprecated and many computers not being able to run Windows 11 at all, Linux can be a great option. Number 5, the flavor factor. There's not just one version of Linux. There are many different flavors called distributions. Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Arch, Kali Linux, and we could go on and on. There are distributions devoted to OSINT, digital forensics, pen testing, etc., etc. Number 6, the forum factor. There's tons of support for Linux, such as forums, chats, subreddits, and there's a lot of fellowship and camaraderie in the Linux community and a real sense of accomplishment and belonging. Number 7 is the future factor. Linux skills are future-proof. Linux is everywhere from servers to embedded systems, and learning Linux can open a lot of doors for your career down the road.